People have sent me messages and DMs telling me to talk about eczema, and that is exactly what I'll be doing in this particular video. So sit back and watch this video till the end. So I'm going to be talking about what eczema is, what causes eczema, and how to prevent your skin from having eczema, or if you eventually have eczema, what you can use on your skin to get rid of the eczema. So if you've not subscribed to this channel yet, please hit the subscribe button down below, and if you're already a subscriber, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. It will help my video to get to a wider audience. What is eczema? Eczema is a skin condition that makes your skin look dry, red, itchy and bumpy. It is one of the many types of dermatitis, and it damages your skin. It makes it sensitive and prone to infections and dryness. What are the causes of eczema? The number one cause of eczema is when you use creams and soaps that have irritants, those kind of soap that brighten or lighten you fast. So make sure at all times you use mild soap, and even if you want to get lightened up a bit, you should use ingredients that are natural, that will make you to lighten up naturally. Number two cause of eczema is the environmental factor. The weather factor also causes you to have eczema. I remember watching a video about a YouTuber that relocated to a country that has harsh weather condition, and she started having eczema on her face and on her palms. That was the first time I'll be seeing someone having eczema on her palm, and she said she had never experienced eczema since she was born. So environmental factor can also cause you to have eczema. Then number three cause of eczema is due to some things such as pet furs, pollen or mold. It also causes eczema. Then who can have eczema? It is not only adults that can develop eczema. Newborns and babies too develop eczema if their skin is excessively dry. That is why it is advisable to moisturize your skin at all times. At all times, make sure your skin looks hydrated by drinking a lot of water and moisturizing your skin at all times. Eczema is scaly patches on your skin which can appear on the face, body, neck, elbows, or behind your knees. Yes, those are the kind of places you can have eczema. And some types of food too also cause eczema. The kind of food that causes eczema includes eggs, oats, dairy, citrus fruits. Stress too also causes you to have eczema. That is because stress at times causes spikes in hormone that makes your skin look very oily, which can trigger eczema. So how do you prevent eczema? Make sure your skin is always hydrated. Make sure you apply moisturizer on your skin at all times. Even if you have oily skin, there are moisturizers that are good for oily skin. So make sure you apply moisturizer on your skin. Make sure you take a lot of water and eat healthy. Yes, so you eat healthy, take a lot of water, moisturize your skin. Have eczema, there are some things you can apply on your skin that will suit your skin and make it less itchy. Aloe vera is one of it. Apple cider vinegar is one of it. Honey is one of it. Coconut oil is one of it. Don't expose your skin to excessive heat. So I'm going to show you how to make a mixture you can apply on your eczema to make it go away fast. Thank you. There are some fruits and juices that also improve the ways your skin looks like. Juice such as celery. Celery juice is very good. Just juice out celery. You can add cucumber if you want. That's the way I take my cucumber and celery. Squeeze out the juice and take it daily. Carrot too is also very good for the skin. Make sure you take a lot of carrots if you want your skin to be smooth and eczema free. So I'm very much for watching up to this point. If you've not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, and if you've not left a thumbs up on this video, please hit the like button. Turn on your notification bell so that when I post a video you'll be notified. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video.